Lesson 6. What a token is. In blockchain systems, the word token appears very often. Many people think a token simply means a digital coin or a form of money, but the idea is broader than that. A token is a digital unit that exists inside a blockchain system. It represents a record stored in that system. The record can represent different types of rights or participation. For example, a token may represent ownership of something. It may represent access to a service. It may represent participation in a project or a system. The important point is that the token itself is not the asset. It is digital record that represents a right within the system. Because the record exists on the blockchain, it can be verified and transferred according to rules of the system. In simple words, a token is a digital unit that represents right or participation inside a blockchain system. In the next lesson, we will explain why a token is not the same as reward, point or loyalty system used by companies.